Okay, my friends, the S&P is down 4% from all-time high and 2% year to date. My I'm down a lot, my friends. I'm down 9%. 9%. I was down also today. I don't know why I'm down. Like, I think it's tail protecting me a bit, but not much. You see, the VIX scores are doing fine, but I don't have enough. I don't have enough. I don't have enough to protect me. Yeah, the mining stocks are still going down. Like, yeah, the mining stocks, my friends. I told you, like S&P correction 10-15%. Yeah, S&P, Bitcoin is holding strong. Like, it broke down a bit, but yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's going down, but I don't think so. I think when the war will be finished, this will skyrocket again. Yeah, gold is up, so I don't understand why I'm, and silver is up also, but my miners are, oh, they're doing okay. So I don't know, maybe it's my short, maybe it's my, but yeah, I don't know what's going on, my friends. I really don't know. Like, the market is down, so I'm a little bit leveraged. So I think it's AI. Like, Korea, Japan is going down. Yeah, it's the war. So, and I'm rotating to very interesting stocks, like energy stocks, like who was bankrupt and now they're saved by the price of oil. So I like this play, like Battalion Corp. I'm up 600%. Oil is up like crazy. Oil is up like crazy. Look at this. We said it's the year of oil. It's the year of oil. Yeah. We have couple oil stock, but yeah, we did some profit with this Battalion oil, 400%, and I have others, but it's not moving the needle yet for me. It's not moving the needle for me, my friends. So yeah, I have to be patient. And the portfolio will rotate. I will rotate the portfolio to new winners. I've done, yeah. Yeah, there's the bioscience always. Now this one is nice. Like, it was an insider trade, and I put a lot of money and it's doing fine. Like, but now the stock, guys, the stock that I'm buying now, it's for, it's for, it will be the next winner. You know, some are scared and chasing oil, and me, I'm chasing this stock. Like, nobody knows this stock. But in 6 months, I will be up 200% on this stock or something. I don't know. You know, this is where you have to do the work. And this period, you don't have to defocus because look, there's a lot of companies that's going up. Look at this company, insider trade also, plus 10%. Yeah, it's not because it's down that you have a lot of opportunities. Look, Opus, look at this stock. This is the stocks, this is the stocks that will carry my portfolio all year long. This is not like Okay, mine is over. Like even some miners are doing fine. Like, but you know, this company is like, you know, it don't seem like city building, but this is the new winners. So I'm working more than ever. I'm not chasing like, oh, how can I protect my portfolio? It's over. If you're not protected, it's over. Like, it might drop more, but you have to be in the next. Look, Sol Gel took a hit, but now look, plus 2% because it's so strong. It's so strong, my friend. It's one of the strongest company I've ever seen. Clinical stage dermatology company. This is where you have to go. This is where the money will be made, not now, but in 2 months. But in 2 months it will be over, and you will say, oh, yeah, my energy stock. This is out of bankruptcy trading stock, oil stock. This also. Yeah, my friend, you have to look at this one. Shattuck Labs. You never heard of this company. You will never heard of this company. It's again a biotech company, but I mean, like, it's going up like crazy. Like, look, it's going up like crazy. Maybe it's out of bankruptcy also. You know, it's the best. The best trade is out of bankruptcy. Like trade, like people that think it's dead and now it's not dead, so they go up 2000x. That's the kind of return. And if you don't sell a 2000x stock, even if it's 0.2%, 0.5% of your portfolio, it will happen. It will happen. So if you do the math, like 10,000x times 0.5%, it will happen. A lot of stock are going 2,000, like 200. Let's say 200% in 200x in 1 year. I have 3 stocks in my private portfolio that did that last year. 3. And you know the returns, if you bought 0.5%, you do 100% return on just on this stock. Times 3, because I have 3 of these in my portfolio. I did like more than 300% just on these stocks. That's how you win. That's how my portfolio wins. Because I have a lot of losses. Like the stock market is full of losers. It's full of losers, my friends. But you just have to have one Nvidia. You just to have one. And if you don't sell, you will be rich, and it will cover like all your losses 10 times. One winner. You know, we have 3 stocks that are going up like 3 to 4x in 2 months. So can you imagine in 12 months? Next year? Because this portfolio will be more powerful and more powerful the more it grows. So yeah, it's not luck, because I'm buying the best. So if I'm buying the best, I will fund the company, because each year there's many companies that go up 10x, 100x, 200x, but nobody wants to find them. Nobody wants. They say, it's up 4x. I don't touch it because it's too overvalued, and after it's up 10x more. Because your brain cannot see exponential returns. Like You cannot. But me, I know this. Like, I know my brain cannot do statistics, but my my computer can. My computer can. My computer can. So I'm not fooled by my brain, my friends. You are trading on your brain. That's why. Me, I'm trading on data. I'm trading on data. Yeah, I have edge on the market, and I know I'm so. And people say, "Oh, I'm visionary." No, I'm not visionary. I just see the real data, the unbiased data that you don't want to see. It's not that you are bad. You just have biased data. You watch CNBC. If you watch CNBC, they don't talk to you about sol gel technologies. They don't talk to you about Zura. They don't say, oh, the insider bought 100 million of Trade Desk. They don't tell you that. Yeah, maybe they tell you that for Trade Desk, but not for Zura. It might be a 200 million company. That's why I do money. Now I'm down, but we took the two biggest crashes, and we started at the worst time. And like I said, the portfolio is getting better with time, because like my battalion stock is 3% of the portfolio, but if it goes up another 2x, it will be 9% of my portfolio. And after, if it's double also, it will be 18% of my portfolio. This is exponential returns. This is exponential returns. And all of a sudden, you have a stock that is 50% of your portfolio. 60% of your portfolio. Yeah, I will hedge because it will become dangerous, but I will not sell. I will put insurance because with the gains of, I will not sell. I will yeah, I will sell when it will be losing. But if it becomes like 10% of my portfolio, I will put insurance. But if it grows to 10%, then I can borrow other stocks against this. I can buy other stocks. That's why it's so powerful, because my battalion stock up 10% of 10% of my portfolio. It means I can buy 20% more stock, because with leverage, no, I have 4x leverage. So if a battalion gave me 9% return on my overall portfolio, I can, you know how much stock I can have? 9 times 4, long and short. So I will have 36% more stocks just with one stock. And then maybe in this 36%, it will be the next 200x winner. And then it grows and grows like this. But if you cut your losers, no, don't cut your losers. Maybe you borrow against them. You put insurance, yes, you put put options, because I don't want my portfolio to get wrecked by one company. But that's how you win, my friend. That's how you win. That's how I will win. I have no idea which stock is going 200x. Nobody does. If someone would know, it would already be at 100x. I love the cats in Dubai. It will already be at 200x. So it's not the point. It's not the point. It's 8 a.m. Everybody is running. It's Dubai, Saturday. I'm running also. I'm just doing a little post for my friends, my video friends. Yeah, you have to understand how this market works, how wealth works. Do you think that Bezos did trading? No. Why he's rich? Because he never sold these stocks for 20 years. He had a winner and he was 100% concentrated in that winner. But me, I don't want to gamble on that. So I take 800 stock and I let the market choose the winner. And it might have more return than Amazon stock. Not maybe in the beginning, but more return, yeah. Because this strategy is very powerful, but you don't see it yet. You don't see it yet. But when you realize it, it will be too far. But oh, Victor, how you do this? And you will want like fast returns. It's always the time. Like if you want to build wealth, it's hard work. Like you have to go through this period, like -8, -9. In 6 months, when I will be up like 50%, 60%, you will say, oh, Victor, how did you do that? And you will start like me. You will start like me. And for 2 months, 3 months, you will get wrecked by the strategy. And you will have like minus 10 or I don't know, because this strategy doesn't work immediately. If you start with 0.5% on each stock, you will not get 100x in 2 months. It takes time. It takes 6 months. It takes 1 year. Not much. After 2 years, the returns are gone usually. It's okay. You can move on. Like the most returns are done very fast. Like not in 2 months, but in 1 year. Like 6 months, 1 year. 2 years maximum. Because after the market prices it, when it's done 200x, after it's over. Like maybe it goes up like maybe 10 or 20% per year. It's nice, but it will not do 200x in 2 years. It might do 200x in 30 years. But I don't think these companies doesn't exist anymore. My friends, we are in a different world. Company go bankrupt and like the turnover is so high. And people say, oh, they don't go bankrupt. Yeah, but they being bought. It's the same. If you're being bought, it's the same. It's like going bankrupt. Not, but that's a company dies. They become a part of other companies. That's how company dies. Because you say, 90% of the stock underperform. Yeah, but they are acquired by others, the winners. So my friends, that's the video of today. Very important video. Because today is the day where October returns are done. My October returns, are done today. I bought stock in October. I will be up 70%. And you will say, oh, how did you do that? I will say, like at the Bitcoin trade, like last week, it's too late. The most important is timing. Like, you cannot say to me like, in 6 months, how can you do this? Yeah, it was in February. It was in March that you had to do the work. When everybody noticed the trade, it's over. It's over. When the move is done, it's over. Yeah, maybe it goes on for a couple of months. And after, that's why you get wrecked. because you are lazy. So follow me, follow my trade alert. We are 4. I will up the price. I will up the price soon. And yeah, don't miss. It's now. The profit is now, my friend. And don't say that to sell you something. I say that because it's true. See you, my friends.